What's up guys, this is the Oppo A31. It is a pretty decent device for its price. For the record, the device is sold for about 70,000 naira in Nigeria, which converts to roughly 180 US dollar. You know, it is nearly impossible for any smartphone to check all the boxes, so this device has one or two downsides which we are going to talk about. And so without further ado, let us head right into it. This device packs a very bright display measuring up to 480 nits of brightness, and the diagonal of this device is about 6.5 inch, and the technology going on here is the IPS LCD 720p HD Plus display. The glass front is Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and it pretty does the trick. We have a pretty good design going on here. I would say this is one of the best mid-range smartphone design that I have reviewed. Well arranged buttons, glass front, plastic back, plastic frame. Even though it doesn't have the best speaker grill and microphone opening, at least the back is not a fingerprint magnet. We have a good looking, well placed camera module, well placed fingerprint scanner. I give this design a rating of 6 out of 10. I could have rated it higher if it had a glass back with a matte finish, but there you have it. It is what it is. This device runs on Android 9 along with Oppo's Android scheme ColorOS 6.1. The chipset is the MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, a 12nm chipset, and the GPU that comes with it is the PowerVR GE8320 GPU. It comes with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage, and there are other memory variants such as the 4GB of RAM and the 128GB internal storage, and the 6GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. For the rear camera, we have a triple camera setup going on here: a 12MP main camera, 2MP macro camera, and 2MP depth camera, and also it comes along with an LED flash. And for the selfie, it sits in a teardrop notch, and it's an 8MP camera that is capable of shooting 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. We still have the 3.5mm audio jack alongside the speaker grill, micro USB port, and the microphone. We have a 4230 mAh battery, and it doesn't support fast charging. Without wasting much time, let us check out this camera real quick. So right here in the camera app, we have a bunch of settings going on here. So let's take some pictures with the default camera, the 12MP lens. The portrait shot, and now let's try the 2x zoom. And finally the 5x zoom. Here is a video from the rear camera of the Oppo A31. It is a 1080p video shot at 30fps. Enjoy. So let us take some selfies real quick. Boom, there you have it. One downside of the Oppo A31 is the absence of USB Type-C port. For 70,000 naira, Oppo would have nailed it if they added a USB Type-C port and 15W fast charging. It is not impossible. Samsung did it with the A20 last year and it made a lot of sense. Anyway, the Oppo A31 is a pretty decent mid-range device with good specs, impressive design, good looking user interface for a relatively affordable price. With that being said, that's all for the review of the Oppo A31. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. My name is Peace, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.